A UPDF vehicle from the 5th Infantry Division Training School in Labuoduong, Agago District reportedly overturned while transporting soldiers to the 4th Infantry Division barracks in Gulu City. 24 soldiers sustained serious injuries. More details will follow as soon as they become available. But away from that, President Museveni has delivered a financial condolence package to the families affected by the tragic Opit travelers bus accident. Each bereaved family received Uganda shilling 5 million, while the individuals who are currently hospitalized received Uganda shilling 1 million each to assist with medical and treatment expenses. The financial support from the office of the president was officially handed over at the Gulu City Council Hall by the Minister of State for Disaster Preparedness and Refugees, Honorable Aber Lillian. The distribution process was witnessed by several key leaders, regional administrators, and security heads, including Honorable Jar Martin Mapenduzi, Honorable Achiere Julius Gunya, Honorable Bay Gifter, Major General Felix Busazori, Mr. Oyet Samuel Agwani, the resident city commissioner, RCC, and district internal security officer, that's Gisu. Honorable Lillian Aber's recent commendations of General Muhoozi also has got people talking. Alongside her humanitarian duties, Honorable Lillian recently shared strong statements of support for the Chief of Defense Forces, that's CDF, General Muhoozi, highlighting milestones in national defense. Securing Uganda's future. She praised General Muhoozi's leadership of the Uganda People's Defense Force, as UPDF, describing the troops as a whole generation of young, sharp, and motivated soldiers standing ready to protect Uganda. She noted that the CDF is not just strengthening today's UPDF, is securing Uganda's tomorrow.
We will never allow anyone again to undermine the national interest in whatever shape or form. We cannot and shall not tolerate agents of foreign interests who work secretly to weaken the country's progress. We will never allow agents of foreign interests to demoralize and demobilize the patriotic and nationalist spirit of Ugandans. We shall not allow foreign interests to determine our national narrative. The impunity within certain elements of Uganda's political class and media directly impacts the country's security. These elements have to become responsible actors to ensure peace and security. The UPDF and the interagency architecture are committed to establishing a holistic national security infrastructure, including acting against wrong elements within the political and media class.
Modernizing defensive capabilities, Honorable Aber celebrated a proud moment for Uganda following General Muhoozi's commissioning of a new lead 410th fleet. She emphasized that this marks a significant milestone in strengthening national defense capabilities, spanning from air ambulances to paratroopers platforms, adding that the young people are extremely proud of you.